Okay, this is a 12-ounce container, just so you know how much would take to cover 3 tiers. Okay, a little more gel. A little more water. Actually, probably just water. Water might help. I don't think it'll continue to stick, but I think once it dries, it'll fall off. Looks like I need to cover it a little bit better. Oh, you don't want to do the center. Hold on, let me get that off. Well, actually, I don't want to take it off. I want to put the other piece on. Gotta be careful. Okay. Now, the important thing is not to put the sugar on now, because then I can't get this tier on here. It'll be sitting on sugar. Okay. So you got to put this tier on before you put the sugar on. This is why I had the other 2 stacked to begin with. Normally I'd have it on its baseboard, but my baseboard wouldn't fit in my pan. So, I mean, I don't have a pan big enough. And I didn't want crystal sugar all over the place, so that's why. It would be easier if you had it on its board, that's for sure. It's going to be a very frosty cake. I had a border on this top one, but I didn't have a border on this bottom one, but that's okay. Make sure you put the border on these, because I have the, it's not a border, all I did was put some frosting on it to hide the board. So make sure you've got that on there, or you're going to have to hide it somehow. In my case, I have a little bit of frosting to put on there, which is not a big deal. It'll get there. I just have a little bit of a base border here, a little bit. The nice thing is you're not going to see the sugar hides it all. Hides a multitude of sins. Gotta like it. So, might as well this stuff make it stick. Piping gel. Makes everything stick. I should use this instead of super glue. Just got to get my hands underneath it, that's all.